lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to use router transformation in Iics Informatica. So this is the video lecture 19 is there. So let's see about the router transformation. So first I'm going to use the table. So here I'm using the EMP table, and there I wanna, or here using job columns, there I'm gonna filter clerk or data in one place, salesman data in another place, and rest are in third place with the help of router transformation. So generally we are using router transformation to separate the data. So incoming data one place, and thereafter we can distribute the data with the help of router transformation. So let's click on this new. Thereafter go on this mapping, creating the new mapping. And here let's give first the name of mapping, m underscore router example. So if you want, then you can write the descriptions. Let's write here router transformation for nation to separate the data. After doing this one, let's click there on this source, and here or click on this source tab. There I'm going to use this escort oracle escort con, and let's click on this select button. So here going to use the EMP table. So this EMP table that going to use. You can see this is the EMP that's from escort. Now after doing this one, so here if I click this, then you can see router is there. Take the router transformation, and inside the router transformation, this is router that's selected. Here you can see in incoming field. Let's make that little bigger. So this here incoming field is there. Now one incoming field. After that we can make the group. So let's make two group. First is giving the name G1. You can give any meaningful name. The next giving the name G2. And after that, let's click on this configure. Here you can use simple, advanced, completely parameterized. Let's use simple this times. Here click on this plus. So there I'm going to use the column job column going to use. So here you need to select job, that is equal operator. Here we have different option is there. Let's use equal, and then going to write color. So color data separating in one place, and thereafter let's click for the G2 and click on this plus, and here using on this job, and here this is sales man. Okay, job column and salesman. After that click on this OK. So we can create multiple group according to requirement. So here that's 2 is fine. After that, here this is the advanced part. No need to change right now. This is normal. Let's click on the general, and thereafter, so router part that has been done. Okay, and here you can see three or two group it's created. One is here default group. Now after that, the next is I'm going to take the target. So one target is for default and second target. So let's drag there another target and one more target. Okay, and after doing this one, let's select this target, and then after here click into this Thereafter, here you can see this is the incoming field and this is the target. Okay, and here I'm going to use a flat file. You can use any. Let's use the flat file com, and there. This is for insert operation, and let's here click on the select object. So select object. So object that's going to create at the runtime. So selecting this, and since this is the name is default game, so here writing default for EMP. Okay, so let's click on this OK, and the next is this part that has done. After that, let's drag this one into this and selecting, and here you can see the same incoming field is there. Let's click on this target, and here using flat file com, and thereafter click on this select button creating the new file at the runtimes. So second for color, so here let's write color underscore data. Here click on this OK. So the file that's created with the color, and the next is let's select another third file, and here this is for salesman's once there. Select this. Now select the target, incoming field or the same. Select your target, click on this flat file. You can use different source there, and thereafter select, and here click on this create, and here writing sales name underscore data. So I forget to give the extension. You can create text file, CSV file. Let's use your TXT. So others too, I forget to get the extension of the file. This too. But let's okay. Let's click on this save button, and now you can see the mapping is valid. After that, click on this run button, and this is the mapping we have. So one router, one incoming data, three outgoing data. With the help of router, we can perform this. So here you can see the job is currently running, and job is starting there. So if this take times, you should click on this refresh button, and this is queue now, and this is currently running. So this succeed 14 rows that's come there on this default. Then after the next is there, it's created three flat file. So flat file is there, and not this table. So here you can see default EMP color data, and the next is resumes data. You can compare with the Oracle database table values. So here, not this one. So first going to compare. So here you can see. So first is color. So let's opening open with. So opening here notepad. So here you can see job column, and here that's only color data that's displaying there. So total is now 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and now the next is the after here. Let's see the salesman data. So here you can see salesman data is displaying. This is also 4. 2 is there, 2, 3, 4, and here 4. And now there is the default data except salesman and clerk. Other data that's stored into default EMP. Fine. So let's click there and you can use the notepad. Click on this just once. Here you can see job manager analyst, pursuit analyst, that's displaying there. So with the help of this router transformation, we can separate the data. Okay, so this is the way we can use the router transformation inside Informatica Iics. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.